Yeah, yeah, yeah. My God, yeah, I'm just so like you said, you ran over here. So we conclude for now that influx setup and CLI it's going to be a little more stressful at this point. So we kill it very amicably, kill it. Now we go back to installing everything as normal. So we added this to export this. I think we should do some for Prometheus. What's the Prometheus weapon? Yeah, this has died because we've closed it. I mean, obviously. Um, like this actually works. It created the config. Like this is missing. Bucket requirement. We can do it from. I'll just add this somewhere there and hide it. And flux creates config user config name. And flux config creates. Flux config create. Config name, which should be the first thing. So just for rename, right? And then minus u, nothing. Post all, that should be minus u. Okay. Next thing, the p we have here. We're not creating token, so this. So I can just call this Ethereum get. And then none else, which is what I'm using this now, right? And then okay. So each of which ports for reduced users. Kill everything else on this right now. Don't start this because here you just go. Okay. So all of this will work. We'll do it from the user interface, which is just weird. Try and see if we can find a way around. So parameters, 90 for parameters. Okay. So we have our parameters there. Which is to expose a 90 for it. Alright, so I just swear because I feel like putting this on that now. So okay, let's do this. Alright, so the lid cuts. Let's go. That's it. That's it. Perfect. Um, Anything else for now? Nope. Let's go. Is that it? Let's try to create a note, please. In the meantime, what do we have for parameters? Well, maybe we'll actually just log on and create this for the get. Then each time we destroy or by rerunning our vagrant is going to kill it. That's why somehow I need to figure out this, but This doesn't work. I mean, hitting the local host works, but when you query, that doesn't work. So let's create an admin or somehow. This is not working for that. Yeah, shit. Anyhow, sure. Let's just need to also make sure that nobody's following us. That's it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yo. Yeah, yeah, yo. Me. Make a deal with God, and I get himself a place. And be right on that road, be right on that hill, be right on that building. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This thing actually exists. Right. Come on, let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, darling. Mm. Come on, angel. Come on, darling. Mm. Right on that hill, right on that hill. Doesn't hurt me. I feel how it feels. It doesn't hurt me. Let's go. Come on. Go, go, go. So, let's see. Means firstly, this guy should still be running, right? Now we should be able to hit this. Um, yep, yep, yo. Yeah, yeah, yep. Perfect. So, this actually works. Wait, does it? Does it really? Please tell me I'm not wrong. Please tell me I'm not wrong. Oh my god, no. I'm kidding me. So my influx is not really detached it well to this time. Oh boy. Um, change mode is not working. Somewhere up here. Just ignore it. I mean, nobody uses this for a bit. I think this is created when a config file is created or when a config is created. So this one should not even go here. This one is something for more or less down here. Yep, set it. Right. So not there yet. Let's run this one more time. Come on, angel. In the meantime, let's see how InfluxDB works, right? Don't say anything about InfluxDB. Okay, can kill all of this for now. How great is that to work with API? Right, query data. Realize I'm going to use InfluxDB to do what monitoring. Uh, so does it tell us exactly what influx is used for in this setup? Nope, it doesn't say. Okay, so we're influx DB setup, so we're receiving data from Jeff. So influx gets the data from Jeff. The next step is to install Grafana. So Jeff uses influx as database times database. Okay, so Get is the one that's going to be doing all the queries on everything. So we don't even need to learn how to use this. But then let's see. Here's our flux and influx DB. Let us sort of the buckets. Define time range. And filter data. Okay, yeah, it seems straightforward. I mean, we transit. We don't absolutely need this right now, right? Because we're not writing or querying data. You could look at visualization, create a dashboard. That's okay. Any code. Any code. I don't need this. Anyway, let's check that guy. Well, okay. Nope. Yeah. Oh my God, where you see how it go? That'll be fun, man. So I do want to complete the setup and start looking at the graph. Over from you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wanna hear about the deal? Can uh-huh. Julie, down with God, and I'll get him to swap our places. Be right up that road, be right over here, be right up that building, be before you go. Come on, let's go. Okay, I'm looking at Prometheus next. Hmm. So eventually need this. This assumes the get node is up already, right? How we do this if we need to do that would be like final script, right? So we could call that one topic, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna read this guy. I swear to God. So, so let's go to import shell and do this. Why? So I'm gonna import shell. So let's call import shell to do this stuff. Alright, what else? But that seems like one of the most straightforward, though. Mm. Java, Grafana.sh. But let's go and see why this like died real quick. Around that hill. Died at Prometheus. And it tries to find from that service. What command is that from? Sudo move Prometheus underscore config. Move. I was never in the create service, right? So let's create practice service. And that's not supposed to give us any errors. Yeah. Yeah. You don't know your mind It's and that's very true. Share this was too busy today. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. So we're gonna stop it. Yeah. There's a balance. What is it for two trips, man? See. Oh, yeah, well, so, set it to parameters. No, no, no. That's not real. City. Home. Mm-hmm. Let's see. So, parameters download. So, yeah. So, it's a parameters download. Move. Oh, yeah. So, it's a move. Make the call parameters and let's go configure. Most the YAMLs. And then we go to root. Nah, nope. Why is it? It's not happening in root. It's not happening in root. Nope. It's not happening in root. So, yeah. This guy, what I need to know is die. Right? Because I feel like this just messes up what we're trying to do. And the next script does not start execution properly because you cannot even find this. So, no, preparatory service. Mm. So, let's go. One more time. feel how it feels. I think I need more of that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You and me, you and me. I could deal with God. Okay, I'm just so far places. You can't know. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe. Oh, so I have it is still going to be click, click, click something. Didn't want this one. Now, this is as close as you can get, so I don't know. Non-automated. Things like this might be inevitable. But I mean, we're good. So it's not the fun. So a guy has died. I'm just gonna check it. And then light work, fast work. Hmm. Still didn't find this in config, so supposed to do home vagrant and this guy. No. Like this get service didn't give us stress like this, man. Let's say I mean let me be. Oh, okay, in that case now Swede went all the way back there. So let's try it. Like it said it's going to be what though? You pull in from where the script is running. Then do that at any point. Okay. So I just now would forward this. Um, create from link to service. So call this script path, and then we redirect it to the. I don't want the base name. There's stuff I'm missing, I swear. Yep, that's what I need. Okay, let's go. So we're just replacing this by 0, right? Plus, and then we can just call this directory, script directory. So here I'll just get scripts directory, such as what the directory, right? Kill this guy. But if that happens, then this would be in scripts and this would need to go up one step. And then sort of copy. This should be a move. Alright, copy. All of this should be moves. Even the other one, I don't know why I'm doing copy. It should be move. But okay. Um, yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 What you do with God, I'm getting to swap places. We're not that roll, we're not that bill, we're not that building. Ooh, ooh, if only could. Come on, darling, let me steal this moment from you. Come on, baby, come on, darling, let me steal this moment from you now. Come on, angel, come on, darling, let's exchange the experience. Oh, come down with God. I'll get him to swap up places. We ran up that road. We ran up that hill. We ran up that building. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Me, God, make it there with God. Getting to swap our places. We ran up that hard. Yeah. Yeah. Well, crashes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see what got broken this time. Oh god. Oh god. Um, what? Oh, no, 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 no. I see why. So we're not doing any of this. Alright. More like we shouldn't do that. So we just need to know where we are now. That's minus it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. This is just perfect, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dude, how it feels. You wanna know what doesn't hurt me? You wanna hear about the deal that make it? She with me. Come, make it down with God. I'll get him to swap all places. We ran up that road. We ran up that hill. We ran up the mountain. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, come on. Swap places, be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that. Like if I go, you and me, yeah, you and me, John Major, yeah, yeah, yeah. I feel, yeah, yeah, yeah. Doesn't hurt me. Come on. Oh, you me, yeah, yeah. Little maker, make a deal with God. I'll get him to a path. He says, we ring on that road. And we're all just down. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. You and me, yeah. Okay. Let's see where I got broken this time. I mean, standard. So there's no config from this, that. So ideally we need to go home vagrants. Okay. So here, this is just to home slash vagrants. Don't move this so that's and then that's that and let's get this working. Come on, boys. You and me, yeah, yeah. You and me. Oh. Come on, darling. Let me see you as you. Come on, angel. Who's on the stream? Oh, anyway. Make a deal with God. Can I swap up places? We ran up that road, we ran up that hill. Come on, come on. Yeah, feel how it feels. No, me. Come on, let's go. I have one concurrent viewer. Oh, not who it is. Who's on stream? Prex? Or is it OCC? They says we ran that road, we ran that hill, we ran that. If I could. Or is it Imperial? No. Da, 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 da. Come on, come on. Let me see. Still on gift. Okay. Around the you and me, you and me, I'll be unhappy. Yeah, make sure we got against the places. Be right on that road, be right on that hill. Oh, if I could. Come on. Let's see how to install it now. Gym installed yet. This will take a bit. We need to be able to initialize this guy. Come on, darling. Hmm. Good, make it down we got. I'm getting the swap out places. We ran up that road, we ran up that hill, we ran up that building. If I could, you can could. Come on. Okay, I think it's on Prometheus, so. Ah, guy, you should be ready. Let's go. Yep. But I do really want to do this now. Because we need to know what's happening with Prometheus, then get back to resolving it. I think it's on the last iteration I'll actually set up the Flux DB. Trash is on track. Yeah, life a lot to be updating. I'm going to be killed. Nah, definitely not. Not quite. Okay. Okay. Cannot start run get. Why? Not such file directory. Oh boy. So where are we? Where did the even go astray? There's uh-huh. Let's see for any other push that we have here. Cause This might be worth discussing actually. So we have one push to here and one only. So why is this question? It says can't that's right after doing what do you do? Install get. Are you kidding me? How the fuck is this thing organizing what it's doing? Okay, we do install get right after influx. Influx is good. So why is there an install get right now? Or something broken somewhere. Make a deal with God. Get him in the swamp by faces. Be right on that road. Well, I'm not supposed to install Ethereum at this point. Like this had already been done since. Please show yourself. Create Prometheus service. Just have nothing to do with that, okay? And I have the Prometheus service as well. Prometheus is 90, right? Sure about 90. So if we go here and conveniently call a brother, we can host on 9090, we should see Prometheus, no? Okay, the Prometheus is not active, it's not working. So it should be broken on Prometheus and not anything else, right? Oh boy. Question is, why is it providing shell for this? Or the logs get fucked up? Let's download it and install and go. Let's check our scripts, please. The long these are the guys supposed to get installed. Okay. Alright, starting our services. Um, there's not calling anything yet. That is good to know. Exec stats. It's open keyspace. And then pass argument search. Nothing else. Um, get config empty. Let's just pull the error here of web breaks, right? So copy scripts script slash run search. Nothing. Okay. Let's search for copy this. So I think it's just the first one we recognize because I don't know what the fuck is I think it's actually under here. So it's just this guy. Okay. So in this context, where exactly are we? Right? Because we know where we are, we can know what's like the breakage, and then this PWG, then ours. Yep. Rise. You and me, yeah. You and me. Make a deal with God. I'll get him to swap our faces. Yo, Prex, what's up, man? How you doing? What's the up, guy? See, I just suspected first from the people that are off now. Well, I noticed online on WhatsApp first, actually. Those who saw my status. So, what's up with you? What's in this up, man? I mean, if you have any questions, I'm 100% down to answer to the best of my knowledge. I don't mind, I'm shaking my head, I'm just moving up and down. I'm listening to music, which I cannot play on the stream because it's going to get blocked somehow. I don't know why they keep doing that. Makes me think whether YouTube is actually even the right streaming platform. Because I bet other platforms will not do stuff like this. But then YouTube is solid. I can't swallow places. They ran the road. They ran that hill. The weird thing is that okay, not sure. Let me open the message and stream this way. Yeah, it really doesn't sync. Okay, it does. Oh wait, that's true. I think my mic might be using a stupid mic. First, the headset. Yeah, I just. Oh, but this is the okay mic. Anyway, but I don't use my headset mic for the stream because I'm using it to actually play and listen to music from my phone. Okay, so like that's one of the weird things happening right now. But can you hear me clearly now? I Soka. Good shit. But first, but why you up so early? It's like 7 a.m., right? Why you know they chill, they enjoy your life, guys? Sleep till like 8. Oh, okay. Nice. Well, because usually if it picks up the wrong mic, for example, if it takes a mic from my webcam, it's going to be shit. The laptop's mic is not that great either. The best mic is on this headset, but I can't use it since I connected it to my phone to listen to music. So anyway, we're in the process of doing all the crazy and annoying shit right now, which is debugging, man. Trying to make something work. The bane of any engineer's existence. So anyway, let's see. Summary of everything I was doing. I'm trying to set up an Ethereum node, local, local public Ethereum node. Public in the sense that it's going to join the Ethereum blockchain and sync to it, but it's going to be a light node, so it doesn't need any crazy requirements. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm using Geth as the execution client. So I'm installing Geth. So I'm working on installing Geth. You see a lot of great Geth stuff here and all that. And then I'm trying to do some monitoring here. So first, the Geth is going to use InfluxDB as a time series database, which I'm setting up ish. And then we use parentheses and Grafana to monitor. And that's it. So what exactly is happening now? It's not creating a get service, it got stuck somehow. Not the issue, we had an issue with creating a parentheses service, but that got resolved. So I don't know why it's going back to. dying on get. But then let's see from here. See, one thing that makes me see that there's actually a scam, like legit 100% scam, is that all of this is not supposed to happen at this point. Everything here, installing, downloading and installing Go, all of this. Like this particular script is running, I had run it at the beginning and it works. Right? So if you look, the last thing happening here, let's see, is install Go. Why should we install Go now? Let's see. Before that, let's see, our Prometheus is working. The Prometheus service is actually working. Which means typically if we go to path of Prometheus, they should load something. Strangely, it's not, I don't know if it's there. But yeah, so this also says that Prometheus is active. Alright. So that it's a seconds ago, whenever that was. And configuration file. Okay, we'll check all of that later. Configuration file is YAML, the storage, Prometheus, web console templates, before. No. I think I just pressed stop. Prometheus install. Go up slightly. Prometheus config, Prometheus install Go. Oh. Yeah. So what broken here at root? I just resolve this and see if this works right. So yeah, I was supposed to go home, vagrant. So here, and that's what this gives us then, this, okay, so this. So now copy. Yeah, so this needs to change to home vagrant. Slash. But if this didn't break, then this should be okay, right? So where we can read configs like this, and then if this is what broke, let's go right down. CP run get sh scripts slash CP run get. So it's not on the service. Scripts slash CP run get SH. I need extra logs, man. Need more logs, I'd say. Like I need logs, trace logs, vagrant info. Let's done debug. I hope that's a thing. Or we need to go back to vagrant documentation and sort that. Because I want to know and pinpoint in the file itself where this thing is coming from. Because honestly, it's not supposed to be breaking. Get should have very well been installed properly. And let me move that. doesn't hurt me. Yeah, let's first go to begin documentation because this is happening again. Yeah, so this is another option. It's about level output. If Vagrant Lock does not take debug, then we'll switch and use this. I think it should. So put the password to the monster folders to VM. So we have to first sync the configs folder and scripts folder to the VM so that we can run and have access to its contents from there. But this part will take a minute. Yeah, now. So, anyways, this one is being slow now. It's not like the internet is slow. Let's see. Okay. So what's happening in Lorient Pricks? How is everything? I hear fuel is really expensive now. Like that's gone to like it's almost 600 naira for a liter of fuel. Show you the engine again. Come on. Like more than half the time in the stream is just waiting for this thing to actually deploy or something. Oh yeah, in Abuja, mad, mad, mad. Sit chilling, man. Flexing, chilling. Oh, ABJ, man. And land of the big boys now. You be big boy. Oh, you're serving. You're serving. That's pretty cool, guy. That's pretty cool. But I hope you're serving very well. Is it like in a place you actually wanted to work in, or just some random place? Ah, big boy, soft life, in better life. I go there like you when I grew up, sure. Oh, but that's pretty chill. Oh God, that's chill. I think inverter is even it's going to be more reasonable to get an inverter in Nigeria now over even Gen because although it depends on the side we dey sure. Because you get as it be, but with how expensive fuel is, inverter is a good option. I think this to make carrots do like this. just the runners up and down the Cypress virtual box. Okay. Yep. Still installing the. So maybe the honey from no. Honey has even been missing. Very missing stuff. Now I'm a big boy now. I ain't big pass. And then they flex for Abuja, sure. If you know hard for him at all. One random place, but I hope you're getting good experience. Sha. I hope so you're not just the same you buy Amala every day. Because now that one good choke, man. Because you need good experience, especially if that's very true. What field do you want to work in? Or is it that you want to continue like a master's or so? Oh, good, man. Oh, good. All in all, Niger get us to be. I just think we can find it on us. Nigeria. But I mean, so Tinubu is here to bring change. I hope he's going to change it for the better, sure. I hope it's going to be good. I really hope it's going to be good cause guy. They laugh. I'm serious, fam. I'm serious. Honestly. Well, no, you did. Let's see. What did you do last year? It was something related to survey, geo. Like, what did you do? In school? Trying to remember. I know I knew. Or more like I think I had an idea of what you're doing. But something which involves like survey and geo stuff. Oh, you don't go to remember come. Perfect. Hi. But tech is the way make I know lie, sure. I mean, if you can learn it, it's going to be pretty good. Down the line, you'd find a way to apply it. Like you might actually just find yourself an opportunity where you get to use it, and then somehow magically that just becomes your actual path, and then boom, you yourself on tech, bro, man. You can't show us the way. Oh yeah, geophysics. Yeah, yeah, that makes sense. Geophysics. 'Cause I know you're something geo, uh, and it involves like surveys and stuff. So you don't want to work as a geophysicist or geophysics engineer. Like, isn't it fun? Like, just pull it the fun, switch to more night-friendly lights. Yeah. Or you tend to follow. But I mean, rather than following, why don't you consider instead building or starting to build experience for your career you want now? Because I feel like further education is something you can do at any time. Like it's something that is absolutely not pressing. But when it comes down to work experience or more, there's a certain time that when you want to start building your work experience, you feel like, oh, I wish or hoped I had more experience or years of experience by now. Oh, yeah, like yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I know about them. Or I've heard about them. How was the program? Was it good? See, this week I'm done the site system also. What's happening to these books? It's running. So why is this not responding properly? You know, if I cancel it, it's most likely going to crash it. And I will need to start everything all over again. But clean up this. Yeah, yeah, that's true. But I mean, then again, like, guy, you're young. You have your whole life ahead of you. I think you just need to keep trying stuff and see what you really want to do. You have time to try as many things as possible. You fail and try again, fail and try again, or try and succeed, and then boom, that's it. You don't go, boom, you can't show boys love. Uh, very soon we'll see you be in Mecca like next year. And we just don't say, oh no, this my tech bro don't do, I'm sure. AX was too fast paced. I think that's something that I notice about many of these programs, especially even the ones in Niger. So I know I don't know which one exactly. There's one tool was talking about for designers that were giving them or pushing them too fast that people couldn't even grasp what was happening. Yeah, makes sense, right? Makes sense. The thing is, most of those programs, they try, for example, say, they want to teach you guys everything we've done in 3 months. That's the only reason why they're going to, I don't know, super compress it. And I'm thinking in those kind of times, they think, oh, anybody on that program does not have a life. And they just want to use those 3 months to learn that thing and get a job. Typically, it's not that. For most people who are doing those crash programs, they want to get an understanding of the thing and eventually down the line keep practicing before they get good and get it. Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good. That'll be good. See, this thing, it's not. If it's supposed to crash like crash, it's supposed to give us what we need. Like to give us. Let me just go back to some review again. Let's see. The logs where is it now? Take our time to this thing. Forward spots. Install git. I think all of this is the get install. Yeah, we're at the next one. Let's see. Updates the VM. Oh, wow. That's barely done anything at all. That's barely done anything at all. Let's see. If we shut down a VM and start it over again, we stop our please. Thank you. So start, let's start. Don't stop any look. Wasn't 3 months run. How long was it? It was the duration of the year like supposed to be. Like was the target per se. Validated for 12 months of training, okay? But they were really fast. I see. Uh-huh. I can be good, man. And then again, most of it is down to how they structure their program. And I think they are also considering that you throughout that process you're not doing anything besides that program. So you're not doing school. And to a certain degree, so if you don't even have a life out of that program, that you just want to bow down your head and go through that shit as fast and crazily as possible. So they give you sword and to rent to battle. Oh God. But then again, I'm not going to lie, that's one of the best ways to learn, right? If you actively get pushed into a project and like you're in a situation where you must make that thing work, where you have no choice but to make that thing work, that's where you start pulling in like some real experience. Especially if you can find meaning behind the products you're doing, if you know there's a certain amount of value that's supposed to provide. Uh, that's why typically the best way to learn is by working in a startup, right? Because you're going to be growing your skills and at the same time You're going to be really getting a feel for, I don't know, like the reward you're getting is going to be what the consumers are getting from that product. You understand? Just sitting and thinking that, okay, this app I'm working on more, people will use them more. Guy, that's going to be crazy, man. You feel so satisfied. Like you just sit down somewhere, you be like, this stuff, like, I'm the one who built it. Like, damn, okay, yeah. You shake your head. For example, sit down and think. Imagine you're the one who created something like Facebook. Uh-huh. And if I don't run mad, if you don't run mad, because that amount of success through something you did from your hands or your weights guy, as you'd have crazy, crazy reward, man. Crazy, crazy reward. Yeah, it's understandable you learn a whole lot from it. But yeah, I feel like, especially when it comes down to software engineering, there are certain things or concepts that you need to go through a few or a good number of times to actually get them down. So typically, it's you'd have to look at it like you're doing school, not just a program. So all the notes, jottings, revisions, and everything, guy, mad die. Again, it's a lot of personal. It requires a whole lot of personal development. I'm not going to lie. It requires a whole lot of personal development. Let's see. This thing is doing it again. I'm not sure why this is slowing down. This is okay. It gives us a second. I'm going to literally freak out. Right? Okay. I think it's moving. I'm glad, man. Like life is a constant process of growth. If you're not growing, if you're not learning any new thing, or you're not having new experiences, you start dying. Sounds funny, cringe, and terrible, but yeah, you start dying. You start dying on the inside. You start feeling like your life has no purpose and no meaning, and then you can easily fall into depression, and then you'd slowly die because when you're depressed, you start developing like medical issues and stuff like that. It's just pretty terrible. Most illnesses start from the mind before even the body. Oh yeah, yeah. I think Apex was such a big part of everybody's life, man. Yeah, it's September you discover that. Apex will chop your time, classes will chop your time, I swear to God. There are times when you actually really want to do shit, and you see that, let me just cut down on my Apex time. Like, say, for example, me, I play Apex now just weekends. I don't know, it depends, barely for even 4 hours throughout the weekend. And it's, if only I have a friend who's online who wants to play. For example, now that I'm out of your time zone, yeah, he's very cool. Now that I'm out of the time zone, the only people I even actively play Apex with is, let's see, there's only guys here. And there's only one of my guys here, TM. So the rest of you guys in Nigeria I hardly play with. Even Hanif Sef, just once in a while. And I even hardly see him online. I think I saw him online today. And obviously I had some other shit I was in, so I didn't join him. But I was really shocked that, let's say I'll hear Hanif the up online on Apex on a Thursday, maybe even weekend. I mean, a bit up for work today. That kind of shit. Yeah. No, thinking about FIFA too. FIFA is another solid game. It was, used to be. I remember the last time I actively played FIFA. Yeah. So This thing is just pointless to look at anyway, so let's see. Cancel the process. No way to boxing up, thank you. Restore. Should have done big range global status. So they should delete the VM and recreate it. Another process running on the VM. I'm going to just go here and delete this guy. Oh god, man. Oh god. I'm be like who? Okay, I did try, man. I did try, I did learn. I'm just trying, man. I'm just trying. Now, one thing I think or believe is that everything we do, or most of the things we do, take time, and that's really all there is to it. So if you're consistently trying something or putting an effort at something, it goes show, man. You must show. And yep, I mean honestly, man, honestly, you know, sure. I mean, just pretty much it's an action of the machine, process executing an action on the machine. Oh my god. Abi, let's go get it, man. Let's see what's actually that on the ground. So Vagrant of hmm, so try and kill this one and this one. Try and kill this two. Right, so let's kill it. Emperor's ID should be this. I read this one on the next. Let's see. Such process use 7. This can definitely not be the first ID. If this doesn't work, okay. Uh, Mid process them. Okay. We have a pair here. Um, path process name. It's not given. Export plus no, no. Let's find a way to get the variant. So variant sets a global status. It should give us all the virtual machines active. There's none. There's none, then the variant op should work. So why is variant op not working? So we need to kill the variant process. So yes. Yeah. So if we do kill variants, well, the processor job IDs process yes as AU process ID here. Okay, so variant up spread ID of 13 something. So just kill -9, just 13 something instead. So we should try our variants up again. If it doesn't come back and kill everything that says variant up, okay. This right here is what we need to do. I said this earlier on because that's the actual process that's probably held of the previous VM. Okay, so a vegan op should work now. It doesn't work, we need to check again. Yeah, it's working. Yeah. So we have to kill this. Because this is a script or command we ran before the RAM process got stopped at the time. Right. So yeah. Let's see. It's going to create for us a new VM. Yep, it's already creating it. And then we can close this guy. As an intro, press Alpha. I need you to create a logo for me for this channel. What do you think? We were supposed to chat the other day. We didn't actually chat again. Chat at your convenience though. Because one, two, this is working. I think I've removed the excess logs, at least in no such directory for. Yeah, no. So you have the channel name, and typically you already know what the channel is for. So, like right now, I'm doing random streams because it's just stuff I'm studying or learning. But when I actually have to sit down and make videos, so sit down and start making videos and shorts, which I'm still contemplating on how to go about for now. Once I do that, I need to have a logo and all that kind of stuff. It's just a channel for, as you can see, DevOps stuff and software engineering stuff. Ops in general, not necessarily just DevOps. Because I mean, this is kind of DevOps. So DevOps, solution architects, and um, ability engineering, everything. Oh no, no, no. I think I should put this at such a chat for a bit. I get you, feature. You see what I can do. Just work the magic. Yeah, for sure. I don't know why this thing is designed to be so slow. Like at this point of this, it's not even going to do the get install. What emoji is this? Cat in a box. But this is not Schrodinger's cat because we actually know there's a cat in this box. You can see the cat. Yo, TM, what's up, man? How you doing? Oh, I'm streaming DevOps stuff, or more like I'm I'm studying. I'm studying. Typically, this is in preparation for um, I'll say blockchain interview, which I have like on Tuesday. I mean, I do interviews back to back, but this is really just for growth, personal growth and development. Sure. If you have any questions, ask. I can explain what I'm doing, Tim. I mean, the cat is alive, Chris. I swear. Tim, in summary, I'm trying to automate the process to set up a blockchain node. To be specific, an Ethereum blockchain node. So it involves actually doing a few things, or setting up a few components. Let's see, let's go with this. Uh, yep. You see this beautiful diagram here? So I'm trying to implement this part of this diagram, this first block here. So trying to automate the process of creating a VM, so set up a node for an Ethereum local node. So it has a consensus client and a execution client. Right now, I'm still just, I know they confuse you. I'm still working on this one, right? So installing this on a VM and then like handling like things like monitoring and all of that. So what you guys, there's a whole documentation on all of this, the parts on what to do. So for the execution client, I actually chose get. So that's where all the stress is now. So I don't know. Right now, she can't be right now. Something is fucking stuff up and making everything really slow. Then again, it could just be my computer because I've not restarted this thing in like forever, man. I swear. I mean, on the fun side, on the side of things, you can ask other random questions, TM. You don't need to ask questions related to just this coding. Ask me random questions. Let me tap in on my inner, I don't know, whatever, and answer. Say it look like metrics. Imagine. Oh man. It don't look like metrics like that. I mean, it's sure it's cool. Anyway, how have you been, Tim? What's up, man? What's popping? Kilo shell. What's in the sub? Like, I can't actually believe this thing's taking this long. Like, this is legit just an install. Or you just got back from work. It's like 1 a.m. No, that means it's 3 a.m. your time. Guy, damn. This thing has been working hard, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Then again, I'm talking like, anyway, I know this sleep, so it's not. I believe you guys hustle, man. You guys hustle. I mean, I know two ways. There's just one way, man. Work hard. Eventually, you rest. But don't work kill yourself, sure. That's the thing. Don't work and kill yourself. Because you work so hard and then you end up in a situation where you need to spend all that money that you've worked so hard for to actually treat yourself. Now that's going to be shit. It's going to be real weird and shit. Now, we don't support that one. Moses is going to my straight up. Ah, Moses is definitely going to the mountain guy. No. Anyway, I get you. I get you. Listen, I don't know. I feel like lately I've just killed most of my nights. I think the only days I didn't actually do this, I think that's like the last 3 days. And it's mostly because of stuff I had during the day. That's what, although I still have an interview like tomorrow 10 a.m. I mean, that shouldn't be a problem considering I sleep by like maybe 4 or 5. And then I will just sleep small, 9, wake up, run up, and then after I will crash like mad. I mean, on the bright side, tomorrow is Friday, man. Let's go. Like, at least I can relax later in the evening. We can even hop on Apex if you're down for it tomorrow. Like, that would be chill. Although the number one game that everyone needs to play is Diablo. Diablo. What do you think about Diablo, Tim? Are you interested in it? Diablo 4 to be specific, not just Diablo. Because I checked it out, it seems pretty good. It's in the still do. Like, am I a joke? I mean, is it a joke? I think I'll kill everything vagrant, like every vagrant process, right? That should give us an edge. Okay, Ox. No, that's what I feel like I'm missing something. Why is this one? Wait, what? Oh, oh yes. See, this was one of the problems. I hope this frees this guy now. Let's see. So we do vagrant up. This should help resolve it. There's nothing running on this shell now. Alright. And then law. Is that, are you kidding me? I thought machine provision. Shouldn't I you provision I'm having? Oh damn it. So we totally, I mean, it can't be well provisioned. That's one thing I know for sure, right? We could test that by trying to reload our influx here. Yep. So it's not well provisioned. And we can kill this. So we just need to either reload it or kill everything. It's good it's up, so we can use this time now and reload everything all together. Let's go. So this one actually does like a recreation, like it's right. If you just look at the script, so it's pretty simple script. Takes two arguments, a location and a node name, the node you're trying to create or recreate. A few bash functions here. By trapping the exit signal to do a cleanup. The cleanup just deletes the VM file we're replacing. The SCD is just to replace any will find this pop mode we replace without node name. So like here, it's going to come and replace this pop mode node with what did we use for node name? Get pop service. Yeah. Okay, so come up, let it come up. And then the rest pretty much straightforward. Vagrant validates the vagrant file to make sure it has the right syntax, right? And then get the node name. We check if it exists already. If it exists, we destroy it. If it does not exist, or after destroying it, we come and run a vagrant up, right? And in debug mode. So it's supposed to show us everything on the debug side and then create the virtual machine again. Yes, so it's yeah, go sleep. You try. Now you try fast, guy. You try fast. Let's go. So I hope this actually gets to run and do the shit faster. So unpacking, processing triggers. Okay. I think last time got stuck on the get install. It should be happening pretty soon. Yep, we got stuck somewhere here. Yeah, so this is how it has to actually go pretty fast. Please don't shame me. Come on, in release. Don't shame me, man. Just go through it today. Like, there's nothing worse than having a process fail, which you've worked with and tested it and it works previously. Like, it's so freaking annoying. Man. I wonder if I start playing music from my phone, like just loudspeaker, would I actually pause the stream? They actually did a few times for the previous streams I did due to copyright ban. So it's like if you're streaming and you play music, if you don't have authorization from the artist, YouTube automatically blocks your stream. Like, isn't that crazy, man? Like, it's plain out wild. I mean, get 43. I don't think you went this far last time. I mean, that should be a good thing, right? Okay, so we know it crashes. I mean, never been happy to see something crash in a while. That tells us it got somewhere at the very least. So it says fail to fetch what? Why? This is a very weird error now. Because where is this from? So that's updates. So it's failing on the updates. What if we pause the updates? No. Let's run this again. Should we run pause updates? Get installed, please. Let's see. Yeah. Well, it's absolutely necessary to have updates. Then we could have the updates in just like one place. Updates upgrade. Okay. Still hasn't gotten to. I think I should have really removed the debug level to make sure it goes faster. Wait a minute. For removing that, we'll just have to remove here and just leave it as a regular. I think maybe tomorrow I'm going to stream Atomic Heart. Just makes me think it's been a while I've actually streamed on Switch or streamed any games on Switch. I actually need a game I can play with like many friends, which is going to be fun and chill at the same time. Because I mean, it should not be stressful like Apex. It should not be down to give someone heart attack. uh, okay, I think we're somewhat on the right track. Mhm. And something died again. Feels like the. I swear the shipper died at an update. Um, Unable to locate package Ethereum. I can't look at that cause the update was not done. Right. Well, added everybody's react to the update. So I add and then it's going to fetch Ethereum from that repository. So we're going one step backwards. I hope this pre-shows two steps forward though. One step backwards, two steps forward. Can't be that bad. I swear I wanted to completion. Anyway, in the meantime, while this is going, I could actually be looking at setting up the fan because the rest of this thing are just unnecessary stress. Right? Um, mhm. So let's see. That's so great. The grand grand scheme of things. This gets us a Grafana installed on a Debian machine, right? So we've already gotten this. I'll use this, and then monitoring process. It says install Grafana, draft updates, install Grafana, and enable Grafana server. Let's see. So this ends by giving us the package. Minus I should do an install. Grafana Enterprise. What was the okay? Enterprise default I'm recommending includes all features of the OSS edition, can be used for free and can be upgraded to the full enterprise feature set. Okay, then that isn't bad. So we stick with the enterprise, right? Then at this point we could do this since it's been installed. Actually try and run the process. Grant here, the login for this, grant here, and then yeah, this is still on our Grafana. Next things. Yep, so this one should be pretty much straightforward. You should get us to have a Grafana service started up. I think this one last time died at like 40 something, right? Okay, it's actually doing a download for the Ethereum, I guess. This is good. No, can you think Apex is more than torture, man? Apex is more than torture, I swear. Apex is just out there to frustrate you. It's out there to stress you, to drain the life out of you. It's just weird, man. I swear. So when it's up and running, okay. So this is the port required for Grafana. So we need this in our background file template. So we need to expose this for Grafana. 3000. Let's go. Uh-huh. So I think we could always use, always put IDs behind them, right? Well, Grafana might need to have what we assigned for either mission. You just go with this. So Grafana for this guy. Can't remember who this was. All of this should be guess, right? This should be guess something. This should be guess something. This I know is influx to be. This I know is Prometheus. So this is like thing gets disappear. With what? This is the exact same watch. Do I look like a joke? Oh dear. Okay, so we'll just adjust that to this. The rest, I think this will also get. But then let's be. I'll tag an ID to it. There's nothing wrong with that. Let's see. What's this guy doing? Okay, it's on Prometheus right now. Okay, that is good. If it's on Prometheus, it means our influx is up and working. I would love to believe so. So this guy reload. Yep, influx is working. Again, I think I don't want to create this yet. When influx is working, we need to verify that Prometheus also works, right? And of course, it crashes. Let's see why it crashed this time. Yep, okay, so I'm back to funny or dumb error. So I'll get the PPA, install Ethereum. So get version. So it gives us the get version. So anything after this is typically a service to set up the service, right? So it says CP cannot start. So now we create get service. So this right here pushes up because I think the premise that you can copy this to here. Now this, oh I see. So it's telling me, oh, I think the full price needs to be given here. But okay, let's see where exactly this is at, and then we'll know how to adjust the scripts accordingly. So we need to run this through one more time. Oh yeah, I'm gonna error somewhere. Let's strip off this 3000. This guy. Thank you. So let's go. Oh well, Jay Shetty woke up today to try and attack me. Let's see. This podcast I'll listen to later. Let's add. Thanks, Jay. Thank you. I want to finish everything Minecraft today. So tomorrow I can start setting up the graph, just like the blockchain indexer. Because I want to actually do a lot of work on that one. More like look through a whole lot more stuff for that. So I'll go into the programming aspect of it. All of this is pretty much just configuration I've been doing so far. Nothing extra. But for the graph, I need to do some programming to actually query the graph, or to query the graph's indexer. Let's hope this runs right towards the end. And for us to actually complete this one, it means all three components should be working perfectly. So our influx DB should be working, and the installation is already complete for that. We know the installation is complete. The last thing to do for that is to set up the account, right, on the browser. After that, our Grafana install should work, and Prometheus should work. And then we forward metrics from Get to Influx TV. And then we do the Influx dashboard and Grafana dashboard. So typically I still have like at least 2 hours here or more. I don't know. And again, with the way this thing takes time on some steps, might as well just sleep here, I swear to God. Come on, come on. Enthusiast. First thing is just keep in mind we have at least one more run after this. This time we're running to actually see the folder layout or structure, and then we'll be able to adjust the stuff accordingly. What's happening? But download all. So install Prometheus, Prometheus, cd Prometheus, release latest, call, Prometheus, download now. Stats download, man. And while it's going, yeah, so you need to have a graph on a dashboard again, which is something like this. Wonder what's the monitoring, okay? CPU memory, disk, F egress data reads. Wonder how we configure this though. Oh, so they just give us use an all to import in Grafana. Let's see. Or download JSON. Okay. Yeah, this was Prometheus. I think this is how my Prometheus is set up. Is it? Prometheus.yml, please. Well, this one has failed. We'll check that in a bit. Yeah, so the bug metrics Prometheus, yes. Its target is localhost Prometheus 1990. Uh, no, no. Why is it port 6060? Why are they targeting 6060 here? Anyway, our Prometheus stuff is actually 1990, so 1990 is the way to go. Next thing, let's see why it is actually failed. Let's see what it tells us at the end. So it's at our roots. So dot script slash run get dot sh and stuff like that. Okay, so we'll do something weird. When changes copy to move, and then again, we already know this is where everything is fitting. Right here. Let's think for beats because let's see. We need to find any other copy. What's it doing copy for? Just right here. Okay. 4 copies. Copies and flux, copies and flux. So let's look for service. Get service disabled, get service up and running, get services active. This thing is just trying to mess with my assets. This shows us that get is running, right? So it's not supposed to do another get install. Because first, if I do that, I'm going to break this one which is already working. And then, so typically I don't have to touch anything in this file. Now, the problem might be from this file. Influx as SH. The last thing that okay. Last thing was Prometheus. Create Prometheus service. Just need to make sure that this has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with the other guys. There's no copy here. Sure. Let's see. Yeah, Prometheus is already not working because it's not done. I don't think Prometheus service was set up. Let's see. That's one users of service. Okay. Influx TV is still influx. Prometheus service is working. You're kidding me, man. So this Prometheus service is working. Um, let's check to see if the Prometheus port was forwarded to. Right. Network adapter 1 advanced port forwarding. Yeah, it was forwarded 1990. So I think we might just have to associate to the machine to know what's happening. Mhm. Because it's definitely not going as we expect. Right. Because there's no way it's supposed to be running this again. So okay, we'll do this. Just set up graph for now. Right. Yep. So just run this and see what gives. It doesn't hurt me. so far places you ever hear. Make you think I can so far places we're gonna run, we're gonna hear, wonder where this is working. Um, it's a joke. It literally said can start by executing systemctl start grafana server, right? So it says enable can't work. Okay. Well, let's try to start. One more time. Let's go. Yeah. To me, to me. What? What? This is a joke. Oh my god. This before the level, right? Okay, let's do this. Make a deal with God. I can't move so far places. I know that road. Make a deal with God. I breaks the cam, man. Have fun to cam. Right on that hill. So, funnel. That's the funnel install from my funnel, please. Nope. Oh, please, thank you. Okay, let's see. So just install and do an install, right? Think I can make it like that. Okay, so this is going to be an apt install. What? No, no, I've got this. I'm just going to skip them, so okay, not an issue. Next thing, add repository. One better, stable. Oops, so updates, install. No, no RSS, we're going to this place. Like enterprise. So let's go find our server. Right? Let's go. Let's get this thing. Right on that road, right on that hill, right on that building. See what we could. go. It alert me when she feels. You wanna know, alert me. You still feel how it feels. When you alert me. You feel you to me. Still got cameras of places we rarely hear. See what went wrong this time. Alert me. America, cameras of places wherever heard, wherever hear. Let's go enterprise of this. Probably good. Look for my key. So AM4, let's have a look how that was, okay? Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, you wanna feel how it feels. You wanna know, no, it don't hurt me. How I feel it can. Love, you and me. Like you did, God. The swamp I sailed around the world, around the year. I just see this for fun. Yeah. No. Do me. Just die, thank you. Type the output to this side. Get up into this. So, imagine what's call here. Still we've got my hands full of places. We ran on the road, we ran up the hill. You and me, yeah. Oh, well, let's see. Why, here again, why? So it doesn't crush this, but you and me. ChatGPT, who are you? Yep, perfect. Thank you. Come on, darling. Yeah, yeah, yeah. How it feels. You want to know it doesn't hurt me. You only hear about the deal I make it. It's you and me. We can deal with God. And I guess swap places. We run over here. We run over building. I could. We can deal with God. Let's go. No way. I was thinking it was even this line in the next one. Okay, I'm saying, just change order and see if anything happens. It's just few touches. You can't stream because it's taking way too long. And you can just chill. Why not? It's been good. It's been good.